What's going on, people? Thank you for once again tuning into my channel and watching my videos. Feel free to subscribe and give it a like, and also feel free to give me a follow on X where you can see more of this content, and I shared a link to my X profile in the description. And so in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is breaking down the price of Cardano ADA, and it's interesting to say the least given what's taken place over the past few days. Now, I did anticipate this week being very bullish considering Donald Trump was being sworn in as the president. But it turns out that there is a battle going on, or a tug of war that's taking place between the Bulls and the Bears. And so, yeah, what I'll do is I'll break down, what's been going on over the last few days. And so, yeah, I did anticipate this being a expanding diagonal, and it looks to be that way. However, our wave 5 has fallen short, which is normal. I did anticipate our wave 5 falling within the region of $1.22 and $1.32, but it turns out that our wave 5 actually topped off on the 17th of January at $1.16. And so what I'll do is I will tidy this chart up now to suit. So if I just get rid of this. And so, yeah, it looks to me like we've completed our wave 1 now of our wave 5 structure. And yeah, we are currently in a wave 2, our correction to the downside. And so what I'll do is I'll draw up our wave structure, and it looks to me like we are in a ABC correction. So we've got an ABC. And within this ABC, again, you've got an ABC structure in our A wave. And so what that would look like is like so. And then within this B wave, you have an ABC again, with this C wave being impulsive. So it would look something along the lines of this, with the C wave being impulsive. And within the C wave, we've got an ABC again. So that will look something like this. And it looks to me like we are currently in a wave B. And so what I'll do is I'll break down our internal structures. Let's create some of this. And so, in fact, what if I change the color of that? So, to check to see if our minimum targets have been met for our wave B, we'll do that using the Fibonacci retracement. So our wave B is typically anywhere between 50% and 88.2%. And so looks like our minimum targets have been met, but I do see that's an ABC structure there, and you've got another ABC, and we're currently in another ABC structure to complete our wave C of our wave B. And so to draw that up for you guys, that looks like an A, B, C to complete our wave B, before seeing another move to the downside to complete our wave C. And so, with that being said, to try to determine where our wave C will lie, again, I'll use the Fibonacci retracement tool, and I'll put that down to math lab 1, 2. So our wave C is typically anywhere between 1 and 1.236 of our wave A. And so our wave C will lie anywhere between $1.02 and $1.04 if we round it up. So anywhere within this region here will be our wave C. And then, yeah, we'll see a move to the downside to complete our wave C, which will then complete our wave 2. Before we see another move to the upside to start off our wave 3. And so using the indicators like smart money concepts, smart money concepts is actually indicating that there is a weak high, which again aligns with our theory using Elliott Wave theory. And there is a strong low on our wave A, meaning that we're not going to break through our wave A in the short term on the hourly chart. And again, there is some buying pressure as well within this region, but I think that's more of a long-term play, more than or mid to long-term play, shall we say. And looking at the stochastic RSI, it looks like we are overbought. And so, yeah, there's room to the downside now, which again falls in line with our long-term or mid to long-term play. And so if I just quickly go on the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart again indicates the same thing. So there is a strong low, which to me again aligns with our Elliott Wave theory analysis. And yeah, there is some buying pressure. And so yeah, I do see a kind of bearish trend short term, where again it's more of like an opportunity really to be buying in at lower prices before seeing another move to the upside. And again, smart money concepts indicate that there's a weak high on our top of $1.17. And so yeah, there is, a bullish sentiment long term. And so that's going to be interesting to track. Again, stochastic RSI indicates that, we are overbought. And so there's more room to the downside. And again, there is potentially some um, opportunities to be buying in at lower prices. So that's going to be interesting to track. And yeah, so stay tuned anyway, guys, for more updates. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Thank you very much.